This is 1.8 miles. Kaylors Knob Trail, Blaze Blue. Trail rating moderate. Alright, let's check it out. Hello guys. Welcome again to another awesome video here. Today we're going to be hiking a new trail that I've never been before. You saw the title over there. I don't even remember the trail now. This is a trail that we just found out right now. We were planning to go to Blackrock Summit once again, but once again the roads were closed. So we found this trail. Actually, it's right next to the Massanutten Ridge Trail, which is pretty cool. I never even knew it existed. So it's like 1.8 miles. Should be pretty easy hike. Yeah, it's already pretty fun. Like, we got some snow here on the ground, and we actually have somebody here that I want you to meet. You haven't seen him in a while. His name is Ruben. All right, say hi, Ruben.
Hey, what's up guys? How y'all doing?
He has a special mask that helps protect his wind. And of course we got our most coolest, I don't know, fella. His name is Roman. Of course you know him already. He's my best buddy to go hiking with. So the reason why the roads were closed is because it actually they are calling for 50% chance or like 40% chance of snow, which actually never happened, to be honest. So I don't know why they closed the roads. Oh, because they said it was icy. Now I remember. But hey, the roads are fine. So yeah, good thing we found this trail, because I really did not know where to go, because we wanted to go some other trails that are like an hour away. But we called the people there and they said the roads are closed there. So the majority of the places are closed now. So we're actually pretty blessed to find this open trail here. So I'm so glad I can go, because like I said, I love hiking and I needed a break from work.
Some guy following us, man.
I think it's Kaylors Knob. That's where we gotta go. So we'll go to the right. Next time we'll go to the other one. Wait, there's one over there. Let's go. Taking a break?
Nah, we're just waiting for you.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. Is there any service here?
Yeah, LTE.
Nice, nice. That's a cool tree. Wow. Look at that. Want to take a picture next to it?
No.
That's crazy how there's actually snow on here in the mountains, while like regular roads and stuff, it's nothing. There's no snow. So today at work we had a meeting. The meeting is always on Fridays at 8 o'clock. It's only a 1 hour meeting at work, but today's meeting was special. This is why. Today we actually got our new manager at work today. So his name is, what's his name? Om. His name is Om, like O-M. It's pretty interesting. He's actually from New York, and he's gonna help us at our store. So, ooh, is this the end?
No, We're just waiting for you. We thought you disappeared.
I thought you disappeared. Ooh, that's awesome.
Look over there. Look at that view. It's like completely ahead there.
All right, so guys, that was the scenic view. It's a pretty short trail here today, but the cool thing is this isn't a trail I've never been to before, like I said. And on top of that, it's snowing right now. How cool is that? But this trail is still pretty cool, honestly. They have these really cool rocks that really kind of go steep. And it has like, I don't know if you noticed or not, the rocks are green. It's so weird. But my friend Ruben said it's definitely moss. So, or Roman. Okay, Roman. I apologize. Whoa. We made it. That was pretty easy. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of today's trail, so stay on the lookout for our new video that's going to come out very soon. We're planning to go each week to a new trail, a new hike, so this was this week's. So I hope you enjoyed it. It was a very short trail, but I really enjoyed it. It did have some snow on the ground, which is awesome, and I still learned some new filming techniques that I didn't even know about, so you just go and learn, and I guess, yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.